Hi there. If you give me a couple of minutes of your time and I'll start the stopwatch, my challenge is to show you the various features available within the myclubfinance.com online platform. First, I'd like to show you the front end of the system. This is Kilmacud Crokes, and we provide all clubs with images to the online services we are offering. For example, CAMS, Mini All Ireland's club membership, Lotto, etc. Then designated people at the club will be given usernames and passwords to log into the back end of the system. Just click the login button and then you'll have access to all this information. So the first thing you'll see is details on revenue earned. On the right hand side here, you'll be able to quickly access your last lotto draw and your next draw and view details on your upcoming lotto and the previous one. But the best way to navigate around the system is use these orange boxes on the left hand side. So for example, let's say your registrar wants to look at membership information. He or she could come in here, click on this drop down, the search submitted members report, which will export files out of MyClub Finances into an Excel file for you. You can set up templates here, whether it's revenue earned for a certain time of the year or certain plans, under 12s, under 14s, whatever it is, you can set the criteria here and export. There are all kinds of different membership options here. You can add members, for example, if they've only filled out their details on a paper form, you can add them to the system. You can search by date of birth, you can search players only, and if you're a GA club, you can use our service sport integration feature. But the beauty of our membership system is it's for everybody. It can save you a lot of time, whether rugby, soccer, hockey, camogie, whatever it is. There's a communication module on our system. You can send newsletters out to your members or to any email list that you give to us. You can use an SMS function, so you can text certain age groups within the club. There's even an automated registration mail called an ARM, where you can send out automatically, let's say, an email every week in the build up to membership season, reminding clubs to pay their memberships. There's all kinds of reports and accounts here on every possible detail you can think of on your lotto. There's an account summary report where you simply have to enter in your date criteria from and to, and it'll give you every gross and net figure for any kind of online transaction that was carried out. It's great again for registrars or treasurers to have this information a few clicks away. And of course, all this data is secure, only available to you. There's a clear audit trail on all transactions. Then there's a lottery section. Again, in this drop-down menu, you have all kinds of options here. You can look at your current players. You can look at any lotto winner payments. You can activate the mobile lotto option, which enables people at the club to sell through their mobile. And again, you can look at all kinds of lotto reports, where buyers are coming from, your average monthly revenue, etc. So I hope you realize the power of this system. It's not just a membership system. It's not just a lotto system. It's certainly not just a payment system. We consider it an all-in-one sports club management platform. It starts on the front end of your site, but the real power lies in this back end. And let's not forget, if we look at St. Mary's College Rugby here, it all syncs up with your social media. So you can add apps to your social media, let's say Play Lotto Online or membership. And if someone visits your Facebook page, then they will be able to purchase a lotto from inside of Facebook. So it all adds up. The communication through the newsletter, your Facebook and Twitter, your website, and all your reports and accounts and membership information in this back end. If you use everything wisely, if you follow the trainings, this can truly revolutionize how you run your club, so you can finally run it like a business. Not only will you see an increase in revenue, you'll save a hell of a lot of time. I'm going to stop the stopwatch right now. We're at 4 minutes. I hope that was 4 minutes well spent in your time. And if you want any more information on myclubfinances.com, just contact us at 091 50 60 48 or send us an email at info@myclubfinances.com. There's a reason why we're the market leader in sports in Ireland, and more than 1,000 clubs are working with us. It's simply because this system works. Thanks for your time. So, if you have decided to use myclubfinances.com in order to set up a lotto, then it's very, very important that you consider not leaving a lot of other services and revenue and time saving at the table. So if you just go with us for lotto, then you really should consider going with us for membership and setting up all your events online. Similarly, if you're just setting up a membership at MyClub Finances, then consider adding a lotto, consider adding your events, camps, 5K races, dinner dances, whatever it is, put it online. The power of the system lies in having all these separate services all in one platform. So you can cross-sell Lotto to your members, or you can cross-sell memberships to existing Lotto players. So we'd really strongly advise all of you out there, if you only have one module on the system, add the others. There's no extra cost for it, and it just means everything will work better, more effectively, more money for the club, more time saved for the club. It's a no-brainer, really. So please go ahead and consider that.